Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to blur your background. As you can see, my background is pale and it doesn't have a lot going on. But for instance, you're in a living room and you want to just blur your background so people won't be able to see what's going on behind you. But I'm just going to be showing you how to blur it with the example of my guitar. And I'm just going to go to the video section here that says stop video. I'm just going to click on the arrow and then I'm just going to choose video settings. And I am going to go to background and filters, and as you can see there is a blur option, so it'll automatically blur what's behind me. So if I move, as you can see, my guitar is blurred, and yeah, you can't really see the shape of it. I don't know. And that is basically it for this video. Super simple, super easy. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!